Vice President Constantino Chiwenga on Friday attended the burial of national hero and former ambassador Victor Matimadanda at the National Heroes Acre without wearing the now familiar ED branded scarf associated with President Emmerson Mnangagwa supporters. Salabina Mashobran watches VP Chiwenga permanently abandons ED scarf. When was subscribed or like on the video, I got him now. No more than Chiwenga's appearance without the scarf has drawn attention because it is not the first time he has attended a high-profile state function without the ruling party's symbolic regalia. His latest appearance is likely to fuel further speculation about the deepening functional dynamics within ZANU-PF. Although the vice president has not publicly explained his decision, the green and gold ED scarf has, over the years, become a visible symbol of loyalty to President Mnangagwa and his political camp. While many senior party officials and supporters regularly wear the scarf at official events, political analysts have argued that it has also come to represent alignment with the president's leadership and political agenda. Chiwenga's decision to forego the scarf comes against the backdrop of persistent succession debates within ZANU-PF and controversial ED 2030 or a constitutional amendment bill 3 Cap 3 campaign, whose supporters have advocated extending President Mnangagwa's tenure beyond the constitutional two-term limit. Although the president has repeatedly stated publicly that he intends to respect the constitution, the campaign has exposed divisions within sections of the ruling party and reignited speculation over the party's future leadership. Since debate around ED 2030 campaign intensified, Chiwenga has appeared at several public events without the ED scarf, a departure from the earlier years when he frequently wore the party's signature regalia. Whether this reflects a deliberate political message or a personal choice remains unclear, as the vice president has not commented publicly on the matter. Friday's burial ceremony was represented by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who led the nation in paying tribute to Ambassador Victor Matimadanda, describing him as a committed liberation war veteran, former cabinet minister, diplomat, and senior ZANU-PF leader who made significant contributions during the liberation struggle and post-independence Zimbabwe. Do mashukano kudanyi papangwa ine. Kana comment section medu za fungura any more to give us repeated coach. Subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.